I can be least if you want me to, though. Andrew Kniss, Department of Plant Sciences. I study weeds and killing weeds primarily. I've got quite a few trials out there. Be happy to chat about any of them with you. Some that are very weed related, some that are kind of more just general agronomic type work. We've got one study that has actually been being supported by the Wyoming Department of Ag through their producer research grant program, as well as the Wyoming Ag Experiment Station that's helping fund it, looking at trying to reduce dry bean direct harvest losses. So we're actually direct harvesting instead of cutting and windrowing. We're actually looking at methods to try and get those beans to grow a little bit taller so that when we undercut them, we're not losing quite as many beans in the field behind the combine. So that's one study we're looking at. We've got another really big study, a 4-year project that just got established this year, so not a lot of results yet, but some interesting things that we're looking at there. Looking at using diverse crop rotations as well as targeted tillage to manage herbicide-resistant weeds. Specifically, we're looking at ALS-resistant kochia, but we're hoping what we find will actually translate to other weeds, but also specifically glyphosate-resistant kochia, which is becoming more and more common in the states surrounding us. And we have one potential find of glyphosate-resistant kochia in the Bighorn Basin, not too far outside of Powell. So still not yet confirmed, but something we're looking into. So it is moving around, and so we're hoping to have answers before it becomes widespread in the state. So that's another study we're looking at. We also have quite a few just general weed control trials. We're looking at new products in both dry beans and sugar beets. Got a few projects in corn. Not a lot to look at with the winter wheat or the spring wheat now, it's all been harvested, but we've also had quite a few trials looking at those crops as well. So happy to chat about anything related to weed control, let you know what we're doing. Again, quite a few projects in a lot of the crops we work on here, but in particular the dry bean harvest losses and the rotational study that we're looking at for herbicide-resistant weed management are the two that I think are some of the more interesting things we're doing right now. So thank you.